Okay, here we go. Your bike stops because of friction. Friction is a force that slows down moving objects when they rub together. Rough surfaces like pavement cause more friction than smooth surfaces like ice. Mountain bikes have tires with knobby treads. These treads increase the friction between the tire and rough ground. The knobs are able to dig into loose gravel and soft mud. The tire grips better because more of the rubber meets the road. Do you see a mountain bike up there, guys? Yes. Now, last week, we had some weather, didn't we? We got some icy weather. Did anybody try to go out and walk on the ice? People did? Was it easy? What happens when you try to walk on ice? Richie?
You're probably going to slip.
You might slip. What else? Lydia? The ice might break. Okay, Landon? You're probably going to slide. Okay. Kendall? You're probably going to end up falling if you walk too fast, right? What about the car? Do cars have a hard time on ice, driving on ice? Ollie, what happens when a car drives on ice?
The tires kind of go like really fast and
Yeah. Do they have a hard time slowing down?
Yeah.
For sure they do. Yeah, even car tires have a hard time. So what do they do to make it so that you can walk more easily on ice or that cars can drive more easily on ice? What do they do? Talon? They put salt on the road. Why in the world do you put salt on the road?
so you don't slip.
Oh, I'd love to see a hand. Richie, why would you put salt on the road?
So you don't slip and hurt
To
yourself.
help you not slip? How does that help you not slip? Landon?
The salt like melts the ice.
Okay, it does do that. What else does it do? What else does the salt do? Does it add something to make it so that there's more friction between you and the ice? Yeah, that salt is pretty big, isn't it? It's not like the salt that you sprinkle on your food. It's really thick salt. And so when you sprinkle the salt on the ground, it offers another layer to increase the amount of friction, okay? Because which type of surface will give you more friction? Something that's rough or something that's smooth? Which one's going to give you more friction? A rough surface or a smooth surface? Zoe? Rough. The rougher a surface, the more friction. Friction is a force that does what to motion? What does friction do to motion? Caroline? It helps things slow down. So, boys and girls, what would happen if you were to ride that mountain bike we just read about on a smooth road or like a concrete driveway? What will you be able to do? Aviana? You could go pretty fast, right? If you have a smooth driveway or a smooth road or sidewalk, you can go really fast. But what would happen if you're riding on a gravel road or a gravel driveway? Caroline?
It's gonna be and then I'll slide.
Yes, it's going to be much rougher and it's going to slow you down. It's going to make it harder for you to get the speed. So we're going to be talking a little bit more about friction the rest of today. And Richie, I'm going to encourage you after you get off here to do something for me, okay?
Mm-hmm.
There is a question. I think you already answered the worksheet in Google Classroom. But if you have any toy cars at home, I want you to see if increasing the amount of friction affects the distance a toy car will go. Okay, and then maybe send me an email and let me know how that works, because that's what we're going to be doing here in class. We're going to be seeing if we have more friction, if it will affect how far a toy car travels. Okay? So I would love for you to be able to do that at home. Do you have any toy cars at home that maybe you can do that with? Okay, so play around with some surfaces. See how far a car goes on a smooth surface, and then see how far it goes on a rough surface.
That's what I
And see
was
which
just
one it
about
goes
to ask.
further on. Huh?
That's what I was just about to ask you.
Yeah, does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So then maybe send me a message and let me know which one it went further on. Okay? Okay, buddy. So, questions? Okay, this is our last Google Meet for the day.
Okay.
Okay, I can't wait to hear how your cars works, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we'll see you later.
You too. Bye.
Bye.